Friends, can you imagine where I am sitting right now? Perhaps you are thinking that I am sitting on a grassland, but this is not a grassland. This is a blocked road, but this road has been covered by Bermuda grass. This is a best example of nature, that nature remains always at work. It wants its own land. It means nature reclaims its land. Though we human make different structures, but nature always wants its own land back. So this is, you can see the whole road has been blanketed, covered by this Bermuda grass. Now it has turned to a pedestrian's paradise, and I and many other persons come to walk along this road always. Friends, is not it interesting? Hey everyone, if you liked our videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Your subscription matters a lot to us. Stay healthy, stay tuned. See you soon.